I am Sam. I have reached the gates of hell. I have entered without fear. I met the Lord of all evil, and we made a deal. I got back to Earth with a task. I have to kill 665 people before I die. If I do so, I will spend eternity as a demon king in hell, with my own legion to command. Of course, I'm very delighted by that perspective. There's one condition though. I can't just kill any random people. There is a trigger. If they hear one simple incantation involving my name, they are eligible to be my target. I managed to make my job easier, putting this spell into a book, a famous one, so that many people will probably hear it. I'm very smart indeed. So after you hear the deadly sentence, I will know you, and when you least expect it, you'll see my shadow in the corner of your eye, and when you turn your head to see what it was, it will be too late. I will be waiting until I hear my name again. Sam, I am.